कहाँ से आए हैं?
Sir, District Bijnor, Uttar Pradesh.
And what is this BJMC?
Sir, Bachelor's of Journalism and Mass Communication.
From where you have done?
Sir, I'm at University, Noida.
And you studied in Bijnor before that.
Yes, I did my schooling till class 12th, वहाँ से बिजनौर से, and then I did my class 11 and 12th from DPS Greater Noida.
Yes, okay. And after you, when did you pass out from this Amity University?
So November 2017.
17.
Yes, sir.
So almost 6.5 years.
Yes, sir.
What have you been doing since then?
So I started preparing just after my college, but sir, I also did freelance writing for 2 years for the sports desk at Sportskeeda, Khel Now, ANS, and other institutions. And I also wrote for regional publications like Abhi Tak in Bijnor and Gaon Connection in Eastern Uttar Pradesh and Bihar.
What subject did you write?
So sports desk में I write for the sports.
What obviously? Other.
Yes, sir. So regional publication में I write for like the women issues, women empowerment issues, like how the condition of rural sports in India is very poor. On the women hockey, I wrote one edition. And other issues because the freelancing work, so you get the topics.
You have in your BJMC course, you are specialized in sports.
Yes, sir. Not so exactly, but BGMs is like a generalized course for everything. But sir, I like the sports genre at that time, so I find it interesting.
Okay, if you like sport, then tell me. One girl was selected for the Indian hockey team recently from Uttarakhand.
Uh, so I'm sorry, I'm not. I read her story, but I'm not been. So I think she's from Haridwar, but I'm not able to get.
One is Vandana Kataria.
Yes, yes.
One more has been selected yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yes, you see the newspaper. I also forgot to read just now.
Yes,
Just
sir.
now.
Okay.
Hockey India has selected her as part of the Indian team. She's going to play in Kenya or somewhere else. Okay.
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall. I will see.
And which are the newspapers which are there in
So right now, like
Hindi and English both? Just name.
So
four or five.
currently,
Obviously, currently.
yes, sir. Dainik Jagran is there. So you have Amar Ujala here. So you also have edition of Indian Express and Times of India. But in the regional, I think, sir, there is a publication for Kumau Prakash, I guess, regional publication. If I'm not.
What about Hindustan and Hindustan Times?
Yeah, they are also there, but I thought I was naming the national dailies.
What? This is national daily, yeah.
Yes, sir. That's why I'm saying you thought I'm naming the national dailies. So they are all from.
There's national daily to the partner.
Yes, yes.
And if you thought there's some local newspaper, then you have to tell me the name of the local newspaper.
Yes, sir. I'm trying to get, but sir, I know about the earlier publications which are famous from here, like the Garhwali, Nirbal Sevak, and the Hilt, etc. But sir, currently I have not been able to recall the names of the regional publications.
Do you know which is the first Hindi newspaper in the country?
The first Hindi, so it is the Samachar Darpan.
First Hindi newspaper in India.
Some Uddant Markand by Pandit Jugal Kishore Shukla.
Published from
Say from
Calcutta.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Thank you, sir.
So why do you think that you are, after having done journalism and all that, you are interested to take up a administrative sort of a job in
So if I can give an analogy, okay, so we did a lot of stories in our college time regarding the different, like the hill problem in the Gazipur, etc. But when you do the journalism or the write stories, you get the feeling like if you have to do something, then you have to be in the state machinery. You have to have the power to make change in the people's lives. And see, I also run an NGO. From there, I also get the experience. If you have to make a real change, then you have to get.
What did you say? Hill problem in Gazipur?
So the dumping hill problem.
But that has nothing to do with Uttarakhand.
So I'm making an analogy like how I get the idea of the joining a civil service.
How is this an analogy?
Because at that point of time, so we interviewed the different people there who are living there. So they always say कि like काम कौन करेगा? They say like बड़े बाबू आएंगे वो काम करवाएंगे. So they never made.
Gazipur.
Yes. Sir.
Gazipur border and Gazipur.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, yes. Sir.
उसका उत्तराखंड से क्या मतलब?
No, sir. I was making an analogy. I was making my point right now.
वो point समझ नहीं आया ना इसलिए.
Okay. Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Uttarakhand is like, sir, because Uttarakhand, sir, I live in Bijnor, and so Uttarakhand is like our like the connecting area because we always came here. So our deities are here. We all came to worship here, the Sidhbali temple every now and then. So Ganga Ji is here. So I also have the familiar ties here. My friends, half of them are from Uttarakhand. Even when I was born 1997, the state was the same. So we also have the like a connection to here. So I don't feel any.
ऊपर कहाँ तक गए हैं?
So recently I went to there like the Chamba. Yes, and other like Nainital, Almora, Bageshwar, etc.
और आगे
No, so we were planning to go to Munshiari, but it was snowing there.
बस वही.
Yes,
अभी due to the forest fire,
yes,
some transport has been affected. I read in the paper today
yes.
or yesterday. What transport has been affected because of forest fire
So if I
in
could,
Uttarakhand?
yes, if I recall correctly, it's the Pithoragarh and Almora wali, road, so that was affected by the forest fire.
What I read was that the flights from Pantnagar to Pithoragarh and helicopter things from which are going to Badrinath and all have been affected by the forest
Sorry, sir, that was
because
also.
of the
Yes, yes.
fumes and all.
Thank you, sir.
Because
Yes,
journalism, media journalists are called fourth pillar of discussion.
yes.
Maybe three reasons.
Because the media hold the powerful to the accountable, so they generate a. So the media hold the powerful to the accountable, like the politician and the state bureaucracy. So they make people aware. They became a platform where people can come together to raise the issue. So they also act like a feedback mechanism to the government, by which the government can know what the people are thinking, what they want.
There are so many misinformation in media these days. How do you tackle those misinformation?
So,
What role media should play?
so media should act like a watchman there. So like we have seen the alt news and the PIB doing the fact check thing. So we also have the things where the media can run a like informative campaign like the Doordarshan do, where they have a weekly campaigns and programs to make people aware about the things. So also media can start a self-censorship program like the Wall Street Journal and Washington Post are doing. Another thing that we can do in the news is like the strengthening the Press Council of India, especially in the case of print journalism. And for social media, so we need organization like the Press Council of India.
What are deep fakes?
So deep fakes, they can be a video or a audio or even a picture. So deep fake is like AI generated image which can be put on which can use to put face of one person to another person.
What media should do to control deep fakes?
First is to raise awareness about the people. Okay, how can deep fakes be used?
Can you aware us about how we can identify whether it is the original video or fake?
Yes, sir. So there are the guidelines why the PIB says if the picture is not blinking enough, if the picture sees the if the close or the expression or the tone is not matching, then you can see if there is any kind of blur lines between the face and the
Don't
background.
you think AI is smart enough to cross all these obstacles? That is why it's an artificial intelligence.
Yes, sir. But sir, these are the PIB guidelines, and the government is working on if they get the more guidelines to
What is
know.
government AI policy?
So government AI policy, if I am recall correctly, it was launched in 2019 or 2020. It is basically focusing on fostering the infrastructure at the national level. So for example, national AI program. So it also rope in the NIC and certain and other institutions which can provide a infrastructure environment where Indian startups can or the Indian people can make use of the generative AI and develop their boards like the ChatGPT, Cloud AI, etc.
You have also done some work towards women issues, right?
Yes.
What are the women issues faced by women of
So in Uttarakhand, so we have like the problem that we say the Ghasiari problem, say where the women have to walk, especially in the hilly areas where women have to walk miles to get the fodder for the cattle. So we also have the problem associated with the migration because especially in the hilly areas of Uttarakhand, so people, especially young, are migrating out. So many times we see women and the old age people left behind there, so they have to tackle the economic and other problems together. So also in Uttarakhand for the women, so there is a issue of the topography because the water is a problem, and many of them the women are the person who has to get the water, feed the children.
Are you not addressing the issues of women of hilly districts only? There are women in Dehradun, Uttam Singh Nagar, Kazipur.
Yes. So we also yes. So we ran a yes. So we ran a program in Selaku itself. So I have my uncle there. So along with them, our NGO worked there. So, but so these issues are because our NGO is small, so we only focus generally on the yes.
Okay. Have you been to Badrinath?
No, so my father was there last.
Okay. So what sort of tourism Uttarakhand has?
So Uttarakhand is like the
What
hub.
all we can have?
So Uttarakhand is like the hub of the religious tourism in India. It is also a growing hub of the adventure tourism in India. It is also growing as a ecotourism, especially by the efforts of the government of the ecotourism hub. Also, we are seeing some sort of trend.
These are three common types of tourism.
Yes, sir.
Can you name one or two more tourism that Uttarakhand as a state can
Yes,
take
sir.
care of?
So first is the medical tourism and then the hospitality tourism. For example, so Uttarakhand has to give a lot of eco homes are there. For example, in Chamba we stayed a village home, so through Airbnb, etc. There could also be a cultural tourism. For example, so Nanda Devi Rajyat Yatra, Raman Festival. They could be the experience to the people who can come here as a tourist and be part of the festivals and enjoy it.
Excellent. What is?
Thank you, sir.
आप मीडियम से आपने किया है मीडियम में कुछ टर्म्स यूज किए जाते हैं क्रोमा पीसीआर
Yes, sir.
और आउटपुट
Yes, sir.
क्या
सर जब हम कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट शूट करते हैं सर क्रोमा इज द स्क्रीन जहाँ पे हम काम करते हैं सर पीसीआर जो हमारा जो कंट्रोल रूम होता है तो उसमें हम पीसीआर कहते हैं उसे एक तरीके से पीसीआर वैन भी होती है हमारी जहाँ पे इक्विपमेंट्स को हम एक साथ इकट्ठा करके रखते हैं
पीसीआर का क्या रोल
सर इट्स लाइक अ कंफर्म फुल फॉर्म आई एम कॉलिंग टू रिकॉल राइट नाउ बट सर पीसीआर लाइक यहाँ पे हम सारी चीज कंबाइन होती है एक साथ हम उसको यूज करते हैं वहाँ पे लाइक अ हब
आउटपुट
आउटपुट जो हम जहाँ पे निकालते हैं जैसे हमारा फाइनल प्रोडक्ट वगैरह आता है तो उसको हम आउटपुट कहते हैं
तो आप स्पेसिफिक पोस्ट के लिए अप्लाई किया है आपने या
Yes,
फिर
sir.
डिस्ट्रिक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफिसर के लिए या फिर सारी पोस्ट के लिए
So publicity officer, tourism department, and district information officer
पब्लिसिटी ऑफिसर ये क्या है
in tourism department.
टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट और क्या पोस्ट है
And information officer
इंफॉर्मेशन
and district information officer.
अच्छा इसी के लिए अप्लाई
Yes, sir. I'm for specialized post.
आइए नीचे हाँ मैं इसलिए अच्छा जैसे आजकल आप लिखते भी हैं कई
Yes, sir.
पोर्टल्स में लिखते हैं जैसे उत्तराखंड में अभी काफी फॉरेस्ट फायर हुआ
Yes,
है
sir.
इसको अगर आपको हेडलाइन देना है तो आपको ये एक हेडलाइन किस तरीके से देनी है? आपको न्यूज में देना है
So it's for the अगर न्यूज में हो सर हम जिसमें कहते हैं कि सर प्रशासन की नाकामी के चलते फिर से दहले उत्तराखंड के जंगल जनजीवन व्यस्त लोगों को नुकसान इसको भी
और अगर आप मान लीजिए आप डीआईओ की तरह काम कर रहे हैं
यस सर
तो आप कैसे
तो भीषण गर्मी के चलते उत्तराखंड के जंगलों में लगी आग प्रशासन ने दिया पूरा सहयोग साथ ही कर रहे हैं काम तो वन्य जीवन को बचाया जा रहा है आराम
ठीक है पर एक बार बताइए जैसे कोई भी तरह की न्यूज लिखनी है अगर आप मुझे नहीं पता आपका कितना
कैसे रहा आपका इंटरव्यू? इट इज योर टेक आपके एक्सपीरियंस नहीं नॉट एक्सपीरियंस आपका अपनी परफॉर्मेंस से आने क्या
सेशन बात करते करते याद आया मुझे पिछले 3-4 दिन के अंदर नैनीताल समाचार के जो एडिटर है मुझे नहीं नाम याद नहीं आ रहा उनका कोई शाह है उनको कोई जगरूप नहीं धूलिया सम्मान मिला है जो धूलिया जो जज भी हैं उनका भाई तिग्मांशु धूलिया है
सुधांशु धूलिया
हाँ तो उनमें से कोई एक धूलिया जी के नाम पे कोई अवार्ड है जो नैनीताल समाचार के संपादक को मिला है बस मैं इतना जानता हूँ उसके बाद मैं आपकी डू द रिसर्च इट इज लास्ट 3 डेज थोड़ा सा सर आपसे जब क्वेश्चन हिंदी में पूछ रहे थे ना तब उस समय भी आप लगातार इंग्लिश में लगातार थोड़ा सा इसको भी देख लीजिएगा अगर सामने वाला आपसे हिंदी में पूछ रहा है तो आप हिंदी क्योंकि जिस पोस्ट के लिए आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो उसमें 90% काम हिंदी में होता है 90%।
तो कई बार टेक्निकल टर्म्स हमारे हिंदी में इतने स्ट्रांग नहीं होते तो हम इंग्लिश निकल जाती है
लेकिन आपसे तो उम्मीद की जाती है कि आपके पॉइंट्स जो है ना क्योंकि आप लिखते भी हैं ना हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में इसलिए आपके पॉइंट्स थोड़ा सा क्लियर होना चाहिए
कोशिश
ठीक है थैंक यू वेरी मच
थैंक यू सर
हाउ इज योर इंटरव्यू
सभी डेट में आई सर मेरे से थर्ड
otherwise you are a very good candidate then just be like this बताइए little bit informative
थैंक यू वेरी मच